My garden has admittedly gotten really messy and disorganized, and truthfully, it always kind of is, but lately it's gotten really bad. But it's been hard to get out here other than to water and tend to my plants because it's been hot and I've also been busy with other things in my life. However, I've been feeling overwhelmed with the mess, so I decided to do a speed garden cleaning challenge. I'm going to spend 1 minute each on 4 different tasks to see how much I can get done in just 4 minutes. The first thing I want to do is look for any obvious trash. I have wrappers and broken plant clips and old plant labels that are crumbling and getting microplastics everywhere, as well as some packaging from gardening supplies that I should have thrown out immediately, but when I'm working in the garden, it's easy to say I'll throw it away later, and then the wind just blows it somewhere else, and then I forget about it. So I'm looking for things that are clearly trash and throwing them away. I find it helps to have some kind of bag or something so you can collect your trash as you go, because then you spend less time going back and forth to the garbage can, or you can create a little pile of your trash to throw out when you're done, but just make sure that you actually do that. The second thing I want to do is pick up fallen fruit. My plum tree has been dropping some fruit because the plums are super ripe and I can't reach all of them because the tree is so tall, and once these plums hit the ground, they are no good because they crack open or get smashed. I've been picking some up every day, but I really need to get as many as I can right now. Leaving fallen fruit makes your garden attractive to wildlife, and I have been having issues with raccoons, so I really need to stay on top of this. The fallen plums also start to smell bad when there's so many that have busted open on the ground, especially in the heat as they start to ferment. It's sad to see so many plums on the ground that are inedible, but I can always add them to my compost bins, so that makes me feel a lot better. The third thing I want to do is walk around and look for any tools I have left out and put them in my garden toolbox. It's hard for me to keep tools in there because I feel like I always need these tools, and it's easy for me to just leave them where I'm working or where I'm going to be working, but then sometimes I end up leaving them in an unusual spot or end up not working in that area, and then I have to go searching for my tools, which is annoying. So I want to go on this little scavenger hunt for them and put them in the toolbox, and moving forward, I really need to put them in there when I am done with them, even if I know I'll need them later, because it's just a good habit to have, so I won't always be looking for them, wasting time, especially when my time feels so limited these days. The last task I want to tackle is a bit of weeding. I don't have many weeds in my raised beds, but I do have some weeds in my containers and around some other parts of my garden, and I don't want them to go to seed and create even more weeds to deal with, and I also don't want them competing with my plants for nutrients or water, especially my container plants, as the summer goes on, because containers do dry out faster. So I definitely want to make sure I get some of these large weeds out of containers, as well as clear some areas that I will be planting in soon. All in all, even though at a glance the garden looks the same and is still a mess and could use more work, I definitely feel like my anxiety has gone down a little bit, because even though it was just 4 minutes of work, it was an amount that I knew I could commit to in my busy day, So it didn't overwhelm me or take up too much of my time, yet I still feel like I did something, and even though it was hot outside, it wasn't long enough to make me feel miserable. So, if you're like me and you have a messy garden but don't have a lot of time for cleaning it up, do a small challenge like this because I think you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish in just a few minutes. And if you do this daily or even just a few times a week, you will start to see the difference.